Hey guys, welcome to wigmaking101.com. My name is Nakia. I'm one of the instructors here, and I want to update you guys on some new information, and the best way I can do that is through another live. We are in the fall season if you're looking at it from an educational standpoint. I mentioned that things were going to be changing starting September the 1st, and those things have changed, but I have not communicated that to you guys because I understand we all have lives. You're probably trying to get your own children getting ready for college, grade school, kindergarten, whatever it is. Your focus is probably on your family at the moment, and so now it's time to focus on you. So that means fall 2019 orientation is going to be September the 18th. That is a Wednesday, and that's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All you have to do is go straight down below. It'll say watch the live. That link will be live the date and time that the live will be happening. This is free to everyone, student or non-student. The reason why, because I'm pretty sure everybody wants to know what's new, what's going on, how things have changed. You probably will scroll right below this page and notice that everything within the student site looks different. Also on the home page, some things look a little bit different. So make sure you check out the whole website and know what's changed. But just know September the 18th, it's a Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be doing a live orientation. So all you have to do is just come back here, see the link down below, and watch that that live. It's very important that you do, because yeah, I got a lot of updates and some things that I'm offering that's new for you guys to help you with your own businesses and to help you get through the courses and to now introduce certification. So I'll see you in that live.